I'm testing the level crossing. While the concrete is green, by that I mean when it's about a day or so old, it's still a little bit soft, and it's possible with your chisel, with a chisel you'd use for chiseling concrete, to actually scrape and actually take bits off without too much hard work. Once it's really cured, which I think takes about a month from what I've been told, it's a chemical reaction, then it will be much harder, and you can still chisel it off, but you might find it easy to grind. Anyway, I have been able to scrape because it's still a little bit green. It is quite strong enough to walk on and take weight. And this is my test train, which is running over that, but that's my test truck, which didn't, oh yeah, it does there, when being pulled. There's an awful kink in the track at that point, and that's what that test truck identifies. So that's the whole point of running a test train, isn't it? This is battery powered, I'm not using track power. There are some awful kinks just there. Seem to cope with that all right. But the concrete was patterned with the particular lengths of track that were down before, which have got those marks in. And I think I actually need to spend a little bit more time scraping, because it might be that I'm not able to remove the kink satisfactorily, and I need to put new track in there. There's kink number one, that's alright, but this kink here is, watch when it goes forwards, well, didn't come off, but it's not a reliable connection. Just love these Playmobil diesel locos. You've seen them all before. Yeah, well, the sound off. Noisy place this. Anyway, test of running over the points. Don't like them. The Backman brake van does not like radius 1 points at all. I may have to do another modification on this one, as I did on a previous one for a friend. However, good news is my battery operated loco runs happily through that track, and that route, that track, has not caused any problems before. So when I laid out the curves on that, but you can really see the unevenness of the curve in this one. It's just getting a touch late now. I do need a complete new length of track if I'm going to try and bend a piece of track that's going to be approximately the right curve, and then chisel out the concrete while it's still green so that it sits in it nicely. But yes, and I did leave enough play at the end here. You can see where I've been chiseling the green concrete, so that can move a bit there. And there I am standing on it, but quite a bit of my weight has been carried on the concrete either side. A simple thing, I know, but that's it. There is another video on YouTube by someone else showing how to embed the track into the concrete so that it's more like a tramway or a proper level crossing, where there is support over the sleepers between the running rails. I will contemplate whether I might do that. But one last run, let's have another run. That will work. And if the Bachmann goods wagon goes over it, that's with its long fixed wheelbase, that's a reasonably good indication of acceptable track for my standards.